Hello, hello.
Good evening,
Good
sir.
evening, sir.
Good evening to all. Keshav, how are you, Keshav?
Sir, fine enough, sir. Not really good.
What happened?
Sir, I'm in native, sir. Earful noise.
Okay.
Very difficult, sir, to attend.
Uh-huh. Tomorrow exam is there, Keshav.
Sir, I can't attend, sir. I don't have any device only, sir. Simply, I'm attending. Don't have anything with me. I'll attend it after I reach,
Hmm.
sir.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe Wednesday and Thursday I'll attend next week.
Next week, huh?
Sir,
Yes,
tomorrow
sir. I'll
which
attend,
test
sir.
we have?
K-set. Tomorrow K-set and Sunday
How
mains.
many questions?
60 questions.
And Sunday what is it?
Sunday 25.
That's JE.
JE.
Okay, sir.
Sir, can I attend the test later? Maybe next week. Is it
Okay, okay.
possible?
Okay, Keshav.
I'll inform her, sir, also about it.
The number of common elements. Common elements to the two sequence 17, 21, 25, so on 417 and 16, 21, 26, so on 466 is option A 21, option B 19, option C 20, option D 91.
Sir, option C.
Option
C.
Option C is the right option. Common terms. $21. This one common difference is 4. This one common difference is 5. Then total LCM is 20. Then 21, 41, and 61, 81, so on. Common terms Tn, up to Tn. Now here, first term is A, 21. Common difference is 20. Now Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D minus 1 into D is less than or equal to 417. Then substituting here A and D. (21 plus n minus 1 into 20 is less than or equal to 417). Then n minus 1 into 20 is less than or equal to 31396. N minus 1 less than 396 upon 20. Then n is less than 396 upon 20 plus 1.
So I just did like AM is equal to
N less than
401.
19 point
Okay.
something, right? Something plus 1. Then n less than or
19.
equal to 20. Then therefore n is equal to 20.
So, but then n can also be equal to 19 or like
19 point something
Plus 1.
plus 1. Done, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Next, the 12th term, 12th common term, 12th common terms between series 3 plus 7 plus 11 plus so on, and 1 plus 6 plus 11 plus so on is 220. Option B 231. Option C 232. Option D 233.
So is it 231?
2?
31.
Yes, correct.
Sir,
Hmm.
sir,
Well,
I have this question doubt, sir, in PDF.
hmm.
Sir, they're asking 50th term of
Hmm.
2 plus
Hmm.
3 plus
Hmm.
6 plus
Hmm.
11 plus 18.
Okay.
Sir, how to do that? Like, I know one method using expansion through Fibonacci series, but sir, is there any other method?
50th term, huh?
Yes, sir, of 2 plus 3 plus 6 plus 11 plus 18. Sir, question number 16.
Question number 16.
Yes, sir.
50th term. 50th term of this series 2 plus 3 plus 6 plus 11 plus 18. Two, 3, 6, 11. 6, 11, 18. Then A2, how to find A2? Then subtracting second term minus first term. 1, 3, correct?
Sir, but this is tedious. Sir, I have another method. Like now, I can represent 3 as 2 plus 1.
Uh,
And I can represent 6 as
hmm,
3. That is A2.
hmm,
2 plus 1.
hmm,
11 as 6 plus 3 plus 1.
hmm,
18 as
hmm,
11 plus 5 plus 1. So it is Tn minus 1
hmm.
plus odd number plus 1.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Through that, I got to know, using like I know then that in Fibonacci series,
See,
this
nth term formula, nth term
sir,
equal to a1 plus a1 plus a2 into n minus 1 plus a3 into n minus 1 into n minus 2.
yes, sir. Like this one will continue. Sir, instead of showing,
Half into, sorry, half into.
sir,
Uh,
sir, in exam, how can we do this, sir? Sir, I did through one more method, sir. Like I wrote
mm,
as
mm.
2 plus 1,
Okay.
6 as 3 plus 2 plus 1.
1. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Uh,
So like this, if we continue, sir,
mm,
we can write Tn as
mm,
Tn minus 1
mm.
plus some expression related to n, sir. Like here I found it as 2n minus 3.
Okay.
From here, I wrote it as Tn is directly proportional to n square. Like in Fibonacci series of something like this was there, sir.
Mm, mm, mm.
I consider Tn to be equal to ax square plus bx plus c. Then
But this
I
one,
found
this
nth
method is
term.
easy, no?
So what is the answer for
1,
this
3,
question?
5, 1, 3, 5, 7, huh?
Yes, sir.
7,
Odd numbers will come, sir. Then
7. Then
down
next
2 only will come.
2, 2, 2. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Now here substituting 2 plus 2 plus a2. A2 is 1, huh? 1 into n minus 1 plus half into a3. A3, a3 is 2. Then multiply here n square minus 2n minus n plus 2. Minus 3n, right? Direct. Minus 3n plus 2. Correct? Then 2 2 get cancelled here. 2 2 get cancelled. Then remaining, right? 2 plus n minus 1 plus n square minus 3n plus 2. Then answer is 50th term, right? 50th term. Then here 2 plus n minus 1. N square minus plus minus 2n plus 3. Okay. N square minus 2n plus 3 is equal to n square minus 2n plus 1 plus 2, right? Okay. Then here n minus 1 whole square plus 2, right? Then 50th term. 50th term,
Sir.
50 minus 1 whole square. 50 minus 1 whole square plus 2 is equal to 49 square plus 2.
Sir, but there is much better method, sir. Sir, I didn't follow this method because, sir,
Okay.
if we
Answer is D.
yes, sir, D only.
Answer is D only.
Sir, what I did was
Hmm.
first I checked the relation. It was not AP, sir. It was not GP.
Very that problem, excellent problem.
Sir, what
Nice
I
problem.
did was,
Ah,
sir, I took like this is the Tnth term
hmm.
is having some relation with Tn minus 1, no, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir. So,
Hmm.
so what we such an progression we can write as
Hmm.
T is equal to a n square plus n plus c, sir.
Hmm.
This for general like for Fibonacci series also
Huh.
evaluated like this only, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir. So what I did was T1 T1 they gave, T2 they gave, T3 also they gave, no, sir.
Hmm.
So I substituted different values.
Hmm.
Then I found A, B, and C.
Hmm.
Then through that, I put it back into a n square plus b n plus c.
Okay.
If we put 50, sir, that time we'll get the answer.
Okay. This is one method.
Yes, sir. But sir, for every progression, we can't do this, no, sir.
Okay, okay. All of you know PDF is there?
Yes, sir. PDF is there.
Okay, okay. Then this PDF 50% is coming problems. Then next, the sum of
So what is the final answer for this question?
which question? This question.
The one with Nagabhushanam.
This question final answer is this one. 49 square plus 2.
Okay.
Then next, the sum of the series the sum of the series 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 2 plus 2 square plus 1 plus 2 plus 2 square plus 2 cube plus so on. Option A, 2 power. How many complete, Nagbhushan? How many done? Out of
Sir,
61?
Sir, I did some 23 today.
23, yeah? Okay. Prajwal, how many done?
So I haven't really started this PDF.
Okay.
So I have exams coming up, so I'm studying for that too. So I haven't started this PDF.
Gopala,
Yes, sir.
how many done?
Sir, 18.
18. Okay. Priyanka?
I didn't start it yet.
Sir, what is the second option?
Second option, 2 into 2 power n minus 1.
Is it 1 by 2?
2 into 2 power n minus 1 minus n.
Sir, it's option C.
Wait. 2 power n plus 2 minus 4 minus n. As correct. Option C.
Yes, sir.
Option C wrong. Nth term of the series. One plus 2 square plus 2 cube plus so on plus 2 power n is equal to 1 plus GP formula apply. Apply
2
GP.
power n minus 1.
2 power n minus 1.
Sir, n plus 1 minus 1.
N plus 1 minus 1.
Sir. Sir, here it is 2
wrong.
It is 2 power n minus 1.
2 power n minus 1 upon 2 minus 1, right?
Sir, if we consider first term and common ratio 2, sir, then it will come 2 power n minus 1 only, sir.
2 power n plus 1 minus 1, right?
No, sir, it's 2 power n itself.
2 power n plus 1
Yes.
here.
Sir, there it should be, sir, in the summation, there it should be 2 power n minus 1, sir.
2 power n minus 1.
Okay, yes, sir, yes, sir.
How 2 power n minus 1? 2 power n
Sir,
plus
correct
1.
only, sir. Correct only, sir. Sorry, sir.
2 power n plus 1 minus 1. Then required sum. Sigma S is equal to sigma 2 power n plus 1 minus 1. Sigma. Then find
Sir,
answer.
answer is B, right?
B.
Yes, sir.
A option is A. Option A is the right option. Sigma 2 power n can be written as 1, 2 plus 2 square plus 1 plus 2 power
Sir,
n
what
minus
is the
1.
answer for first question? Is it 20?
Which one? Which question?
First question.
First question 20.
Yes,
Keshav.
sir. I
First
guessed.
question 20.
Sir, I got disconnected in middle, sir.
Okay.
Half an hour, I think so, sir.
First question 20.
Sir, answer should be 2 power n plus 2 minus n minus 1, sir.
2 power n plus 2
Minus n minus 1.
minus n minus 1.
Yes, sir.
Minus n minus 1. Correct, Nagbhushan. Here
Yes, sir. That's why I was thinking which was the correct
mistake.
answer.
Here mistake. This is the correct. 2 power n plus 2 minus n minus 1. Correct. Here 2 common, no? Here 2 into 1 plus 2 plus so on 2 power n minus 1, right? Minus n. Mistake first bit is 2 power n plus 2 minus n minus 1. Next. Done all of you? Hmm.
Sir, previous question answer is not even that, sir. It's option D, I guess, sir.
B, ah?
Sir, D, 2 power n plus 2 minus n.
81, 36. 2 power n plus 2.
Minus n, I guess, sir.
See here, 2 power n plus 1.
Yes, sir, correct only,
Plus
sir.
1 can
Correct.
be written, ah?
Yes, sir, that's correct only, sir. My mistake.
Minus 2, ah?
Sir, correct only, sir.
First option is right option, right?
Yes, sir, first option only.
Oh. Sum of n elements of an AP is 3n square plus 5n and its mth element is 164. Then m is equal to.
Sir, we need to solve quadratic equation.
No, direct formula apply. An is equal to Sn minus Sn minus 1.
Oh,
Direct. Keshav. Sn is given. Sn is equal to
sir.
3n
Sir,
square.
actually, I don't have the notebook, sir. That's why I'm getting confused.
Okay, okay. See, Sn is equal to 3n square plus 5n. Sn minus 1. 3 into n minus 1 whole square plus
Sir,
5
B.
into n minus 1.
Sir, is the answer B.
Option B. Yes, correct. 27. Now here substituting. Sn 3n square plus 5n minus 3 into n minus 1 whole square plus 5 into n minus 1. Then here open 3n square plus 5n minus 3n square here 3n square plus 5n minus 3 into n square minus 2n plus 1 plus 5n minus 5. Here 3n square plus 5n minus 3n square plus 6n minus 3 plus 5n minus 5. Now here 3n square minus 3n square get cancelled. 5n plus 6n, 11n, 11n plus 5n, 16n, 16n minus 8. An is equal to 16n minus 8. Minus 8, huh? Here. I think wrong. Minus. Oh, here minus multiply, no? Here. Huh?
Sir,
Here minus multiply, here
putting
plus.
m instead of n.
Here plus.
Sir, minus 5n.
Minus 5.
Sir,
Yes, correct. Minus 5n. 11. Tell Keshav. 6n here. 6n.
instead of n, you will put m.
Okay. 6n plus 2. Right? Now 6m. Mth term. 6m plus 2 is equal to 164. Now here 6m is equal to 162. Then m is equal to 162 upon 6, 27, sir. M is equal to 27.
Sir, till when is the class? Is it till 8:30?
8:30. 8:30,
Okay, sir.
Keshav.
Yes, sir.
If A comma B comma C are in AP, B comma C comma D are in GP. B comma C comma D are in GP. And C comma D comma E are in HP. Then A comma C comma E are in AP, GP, HP, none.
Sir, sir, none.
Huh? Keshav?
Sir, I think it's 1 minute, sir. I'll.
Tell which option is right option.
So is it option B?
Yes, correct. Option B is the right option. A comma B comma C are in AP is equal to 2. That implies 2B is equal to A plus C. That implies B is equal to A plus C by 2. Then next, B comma C comma D are in GP. That implies C square is equal to BD. Then next, C comma D comma E are in HP is equal to, that implies HB, what is that? D is equal to 2CE upon C plus E, right? Now here d square, c square is equal to bd. Now b and d substituting here. C square is equal to a plus c by 2 into 2ce upon c plus e. Okay, 2 get cancelled here, and c plus e. C square is equal to a plus c into ce upon c plus e. Then c square into c plus e is equal to a plus c into ce. Now multiply here, c square c cube plus c square e is equal to a ace plus c square e. Now c cube is equal to
Sir, C will get cancelled.
huh?
No, both the
C
sides.
square is equal to ae.
Both the sides C
C
will
square
get
is equal to ae. C square is equal to ae. Then correct. Therefore, a comma c comma e are in GP. Kesha, correct?
Yes, sir.
This one get cancelled. Understood, Nagbhushan?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
What are the timings of the test?
Timings, huh?
Yes.
Timings, I don't know. Sir will inform you. Sixth one. The first and nth elements of a elements of a GP are respectively A and B and P. A and B and P is the product of n elements, then P square is equal to option A, AB, option B, AB whole to the power of n minus 1, option C, AB whole to the power of n, option D, AB whole to the power of minus n.
Sir, AB.
A, B?
I
Answer.
think it's A, sir.
Wrong.
I thought, sir.
Sir, option B.
Option B.
B, yes, sir.
Wrong.
Then D, sir.
Hmm?
Then D.
D.
Ah,
D या C या?
D, sir.
Wrong.
So C.
Huh? C is the right option. Done, all of you? Then squaring on both sides. P square is equal to A power 2n R power n into n minus 1. Is equal to P square is equal
But they
to
asked P square.
P square.
But they asked P.
P square here, see.
Yes, I got it.
R power n minus 1 whole to the power of n. Then R power n minus 1 B by A, right? P square is equal to A power 2n B by A whole to the power of n. Since B is equal to AR power n minus 1. Now R power n minus 1 is equal to B by A. Now here subject. P square is equal to A power 2n B by A whole to the power of n. Then P square is equal to AB power of n.
Sir?
Hmm.
So shouldn't that be n minus 1 into n minus 2?
N minus 1 into n minus 2
by 2, no, sir. That power, sir, r power n minus 1 into n minus 2.
So this one,
Side step to the side. Yes. So there up.
this side.
No, sir. P is equal to a power n.
Ah,
Yes, sir. That only, sir.
hmm.
It should be n minus 1 into n minus 2 by 2. No, sir.
N into n minus 1.
No,
Hey,
sir.
No,
n
no,
into
no.
n1,
Listen,
n
listen,
into n plus 1 by 2.
listen,
Sum
listen,
of n natural numbers.
listen. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 1 plus n is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. Correct?
Okay, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Got it.
1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 1 plus n minus 1
Yes, sir.
is
Got
equal
it.
to n into n minus 1 by 2. Okay? Keshav? Understood, Nagbhushan?
Yes, sir, I got.
Yes, sir. Got it.
See. Already you apply these formulas, mathematical induction, I think. Okay, done all of you? The first term of a GP is 3 and sixth term and sixth element sixth element sixth element sixth element is 3 upon 32. Then if P is the product P is the product of 6 elements. Product of 6 elements, then P square. Three by 16 upon power of 6, 32 by 9, 16
Sir,
by 3.
value of r is 1 by 2, no? You will get r as 1 by 2. After that, you will get something.
Sir, option A.
Option
A.
A. Wrong, Nagbhushan. Option A. Here P is equal to 3 into 3 by 2, 3 by 2 square, 3 by 2 cube, 3 by 2 power 4, 3 by 2 power 5, up to 3 by 32. 2 power 5, 32, right? Now here 3 power 6 into 3 power 6 into
Sir, got it. Sir, it's
1 by
option
2. 1 by 2 whole to the power of
15, sir. 1 by 2 to the power 15.
Yes, sir.
15.
3 power 15.
Okay. Then here 3 power
Yes, sir.
6 into 1 by 2 whole cube whole square, right? Huh?
No, sir.
Power 5, sorry. Whole power 5 whole cube, right? Then
You'll get option
squaring
B, sir.
P is equal to
Square both sides.
squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides, P square is equal to P 3 power 12. 3 power 12, 6,
32.
1 by 2
Yes, sir. 1 by 32.
whole to the power of 5 whole to the power of 6,
Yes, sir.
right?
Yes.
Then after that,
Sir, 1 by 2 power
3
5,
square,
32.
3 square upon 32, right? P square is equal to
So what's the answer?
32 whole to the power of 6. Correct, Nagbhushan? Three square upon 32 whole to the power of
Yes,
6, right?
Correct. Yes, sir. Correct.
Then 9 upon 32 whole to the power of 6, P square. 9 upon 32 whole to the power of 6.
Yes, sir. It's correct.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
Let two numbers let two numbers have arithmetic mean AM, arithmetic mean 9, geometric mean and the geometric mean 4. Then numbers are the roots. Numbers are the roots of the equation. Roots of the equation. Option A, x square minus 8x minus 16 is equal to 0. Option B, x square minus 18x plus 16 is equal to 0. Option D, x square plus 8x plus 8x 18x minus 16 is equal to 0.
So it would be option B.
Option B. Yes, correct. The number of roots of the equation. The number of roots of the equation x square minus 2ax plus g square is equal to 0. Two ax plus g square is equal to 0. A, you know, a is equal to 9 and g is equal to 4. Then substituting here. Okay, understood? Next. If f of x is a function, f of x is a function, satisfy f of x plus y is equal to f of x into f of y for all x comma y belongs to n, such that f of 1 is equal to 3. And sigma x is equal to 1 to n. Sigma x is equal to 1 to n. F of x is equal to 120. Then value of n is option A 4, option B 5, option C 6, option D
Huh?
none.
Sir, when are we going to study such functions in detail?
Functions?
Sir, like this type of functions we are going to study in future.
Already relations and functions.
Sir, but we didn't learn full relations and functions, sir. 12th part is still there.
Okay. Leave it.
Sir, today's class is till 9.
No, 8:30.
Okay, thank you.
8:30 only. If A comma B comma C are in GP, then the equation
Sir, what about that question?
AX square.
Hello, sir.
Tell Keshav.
Sir, what about that question, sir?
Question that is second year including relations and functions.
So, no need, sir.
No need.
Sir, it's 9th or 10th question, sir.
9th and 10th.
This is 9th or 10th. Which question? 9th,
This is
no, sir.
this is 9th. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Dx square plus 2cx plus f is equal to 0. Have common root. Have common root if d by b comma e by b comma f by c. D by A comma E by E comma F by C are in AP, GP, HP. None. Oh, this type of problem, I think board level complete.
Yes, sir.
Same model. Not same model, same problem, I think.
So the same problem, sir.
Same problem, already done. Correct. I think are in AP. AP, yeah? Then ratio C. I've done this question already.
Sir, they are in AP.
AP, yeah? Okay.
Sir, what is the 10th question? NP.
NP plus N into N minus 1 by 2.
They are constant, P and Q.
Common difference. Option A, P plus Q. Option B, 2p plus 3q. Option C, 2q. Option D, q.
Sir, is the answer Q?
Q.
Yes, sir.
Yes, correct.
Sir, using an form equal to Sn
an is equal to
minus Sn minus
yes,
1 formula.
Sn minus Sn minus 1.
Sir, instead of that, if you put n equals 1, automatically you will get a
Ah,
value. Then if you put n equals 2, you get 2a plus d. From there, you can find d automatically.
okay. Last problem. If x greater than 1, y greater than 1, z greater than 1 are in GP, then 1 upon 1 plus log x, comma 1 upon 1 plus log y, comma 1 upon 1 plus log z
Sir,
are
what
in,
is the base?
are in
Sir, what is the base?
base.
Yes, sir. Log base is E only.
E only.
Okay.
AP, GP, HP, none. Simple problem, but IIT question. IIT 1998.
So is it none? I haven't done it. I'm just asking.
Sir,
Huh?
it is HP.
x comma y comma z are in GP, then log x comma log y comma log z are in are in AP. Reciprocal of AP HP, right? Okay, done.
Done, sir.
Okay, then time is over now.
Yes, sir.
Then all the best. Tomorrow KCET exam.
Yes, sir.
Thank
Thank
you,
you.
sir.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank.
Sir,
Hello.
sir, next month, whole month we are only doing JEE Mains, no, sir?
Now total JEE mains
Okay, sir.
next month.
Okay, sir.
Then number 3 chapters left. The binomial theorem,
Statistics.
binomial theorem. Next, properties of
Statistics.
triangles. Properties of triangles. Then mathematical reasoning.
Sir, statistics.
Mathematical reasoning and statistics. Then these 4.
That's it, sir.
So what about probability?
Probability second year is there, no? Probability. All
Okay.
first year and second year interrelated concepts. Probability. Then these 4 chapters left first year.
Sir, we didn't do straight lines, conic sections.
Straight lines already is over, no? Straight lines.
Sir, for JEE Mains.
JEE means only one concept left.
Sir, we didn't do straight lines JEE Mains, sir.
JEE means only one concept, all concepts done.
No, sir.
Only one concept, that is coordinate geometry 2D. That is in center, x center, that is there, no? Ortho center.
Sir, tangents.
That one and bisector angles. That is 2 concepts.
Sir, and
2 concepts left.
sir, in circles, I saw one question. Tangents and all were there, sir.
Common tangents also is there. Circles. Circles not complete. Only board level complete. Circles, parabola, hyperbola, ellipse.
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Nagbhushan.
Sir?
Tell me, Mona Lisa.
Yes, I had asked me to join at 8:25.
Tell.
So I sent you the questions.
Questions, how many questions total? 30 questions, 15 questions, right?
Yes, sir. So, like for PRMO, which topics are important, like, which we can go through, which will help in exams?
Which one?
PRMO, sir.
PRMO na?
Yes, sir.
These questions.
Yes, sir.
PRMO,
So,
I am not teaching.
no, like which topics are important so that we can just go through. I haven't
That
prepared much, so
PRMO, I don't know.
just
That
want
concepts, I don't know. Mona Lisa.
have idea which are important, like for going through.
Which concepts, I don't know. PRMO, RMO.
No, tomorrow's the exam, like I haven't
Actually,
prepared,
PRMO,
so just
RMO, separate
wanted to go
faculties is
through.
there.
Okay, sir.
Not regular faculties is not teaching. PRMO, RMO. Separate faculties is there.
So, do you have idea about which topic is important or anything?
No idea, Mona Lisa. Really.
Could you tell me sometime? Like, is that possible?
Sorry.
Like, after some time, like, could you tell?
After that, I will ask my colleague. Then I will tell. Okay.
By when can you tell? Like, tomorrow is the
Tomorrow.
exam.
Tomorrow I will tell.
So tomorrow is the exam. Tomorrow morning.
Tomorrow?
Tomorrow morning is the exam, sir.
Oh, tomorrow morning exam. Oh. Oh. But today night I will send message. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Today I will try.
So, going to which topic of 11th will help? Like,
Sequence and series. Then done. Sequence and series is done.
okay, sir.
Then
No, sir,
these
for
four
the,
concepts is left now. First year. Binomial, properties of triangles, mathematical reasoning and statistics.
So, for exam, PRMO.
PRMO, I don't know, Mona Lisa. Sorry.
Okay, sir. Sir, could you tell today?
Then I will tell.
Okay, sir.
Give me some time. I will tell.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Thank you, Mona Lisa.
Thank you, sir.